Share support. Share support is a scheme introduced by the PanSlovenian Investors and Shareholders Association, VZMD, with the aim of keeping the maximum number of small shareholders possible in the Republic of Slovenia. For small shareholders, it is the solution which comes closest to what were formerly free register accounts and presents the most rational solution with guaranteed and long-term lowest transfer and account maintenance fees on the Slovenian capital market. Personal. Share support maintains the individual and personal character of holding securities. The value of securities to which an individual holder is entitled is not and will never be dependent on the value of other holders' securities. There will be no mixing of any kind, nor any other type of collective or other partner-based solutions. The holder does not enter into any association, company, or legal relationship with other holders, only with the PanSlovenian Investors and Shareholders Association, VZMD. Verified. The process of exercising rights associated with securities transferred into share support is managed by the PanSlovenian Investors and Shareholders Association, VZMD, an organization with over 10 years of experience and know-how tested in legislative and related procedures and many public limited companies. To date, VZMD has successfully represented over 150,000 shareholders in hundreds of separate cases. VZMD is a long-year full member of all relevant international peer associations and is actively involved in their operations, including through membership on executive committees. This includes the European Federation of Investors and Financial Services Users, Better Finance, and the World Federation of Investors, WFI, among others. Responsible. Securities transferred to share support are legally separate from VZMD securities and are kept in a separate fiduciary account managed by our appointed lawyer. This means the securities are also protected from potential creditors of VZMD or of the appointed lawyer. Rational. The holder who is a small shareholder pays a fee for participating in share support, which is guaranteed to be the lowest cost, long-term solution for holding securities on the Slovenian capital market. For shareholders holding shares up to a total value of 10,000 euros, the annual fee is as low as 9 euros. In addition, the fee is free of charge until the end of 2016, as is transferring the shares from the registry account to the share support account. Active. By being a member of share support, account holders have access to active support in exercising the rights and interests stemming from their securities, including competent representation at general meetings, potential announcements of disputes and dispute management in order to protect the holder's rights and exercise other rights associated with held securities. How to get in touch with the support. Shareholders may send an email to opora@vzmd.si or call +386 31 770 771 or +386 142 65018 to contact the Share Support team, who will be happy to assist with membership registration forms. Visitors can print their membership registration forms and securities transfer orders available at www.vzmd.si/delniska-opora. Both documents should be completed and signed, while a signed transfer order to the Central Securities Clearing Corporation must additionally be certified at the local administrative unit. The shareholder sends VZMD a membership registration form, along with the extract received from the Central Securities Clearing Corporation, whereas the certified securities transfer order must be sent directly to the Central Securities Clearing Corporation. VZMD then issues an invoice for the service. Share support. Don't let others take hold of your shares.